Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video book review on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and the book we are taking a look at today is Vickers' Guide to the Kalashnikov, the AK, Volume 2. So we did Volume 1 last year, and that was focused on 7.62 by 39mm AKs. Volume 2 focuses on 5.45 and 5.56 caliber. Now, we had actually a bunch of people working on this book, and I think it's put together a really good combination of guns and history and information. It's pretty cool. So the lead author, of course, is Larry Vickers, and then there were two of us primarily helping him out on this book, myself and Rob Stott. Beyond that, there were also a handful of other collaborators, contributors, providing information on specific areas of expertise. So right off the bat, it's 350 pages. The photography is absolutely beautiful, as always. That's thanks to James Rupley, the photographer, who does an outstanding job on these books. They are intended to be coffee table books. These are not intended to be technical reference guides or reference books. There's no tabular data in here at all. However, and we don't really try to make it a history book. It's not really something you need to sit down and read cover to cover. It's a book that's meant to be browsed and displayed. However, we've done our absolute best to make sure that the information that is in there, the technical information, is accurate and interesting and as high quality as possible. So there are some longer write-ups on various countries' developmental programs. For example, there's a write-up on the development of the constant recoil system and the Ratnik program, because all of those cool, high-speed, techie, awesome sort of space-age AK developments are done on 5.45 and 5.56 guns. So they're all in here. There's a selection of counterbalance recoil guns in here, both developmental ones and trials military ones, and the one that's actually on the civilian production market in Russia these days. Of the 350 pages, about half of that, it's about 150 pages, are based on Russian guns. The remainder of the book then covers the rest of the world, because there are a lot of other people that made AKs in 5.45 or 5.56. So in alphabetical order, Bulgaria, Burma, that's a cool one. You won't see much on Burmese guns anywhere else. Had some assistance on that from Miles Vining. China, Czech Republic, East Germany. East Germany did some cool stuff. The Uyghur guns are in here. Finland with the Valmets, of course. Hungary, Israel, the whole development of the Galil, of course, begins with the AK. Poland, including their cool modernized guns, the Onyx and the Barrel and the Tantal. Romania and South Africa. So the whole world is covered. There are small sections on magazines and ammunition at the end. And overall, I'm really pleased with this. Honestly, I think like there's the potential for the guns in this to be cooler than the guns in the 7.62 book, because they're, well, kind of by definition, they're newer and more modern, and they take advantage of some of the trends of optics mounting, modernization, some of the really short-barreled guns, as well as some of the long-barreled RPK type guns that were, brought in, came along with the family of the RPK, or of the AK-74. Anyway, it's a great collection of guns. It's a beautiful book. If you've liked previous Vickers Guide books, you will absolutely like this one as well. It is available exclusively through Vickers Guide. I have a link to that website down in the text below. This is one of the early copies that came via air. The rest of the books are right now, when you're watching this video, when I post it, they either have just arrived and are just starting to ship, or they are going to be arriving in the next couple of days. So orders on the website are open. The books are all finished, and they will ship out within a few days at worst. So there are regular signature and collector's editions available. Check them all out. Thanks for watching.